Hello students, welcome to all in our science class. Today we will discuss about chapter number 2, that is microorganisms, friends or foes. So let's start with introduction. Microorganisms are small organisms that cannot be seen with our naked eyes. Students, small organisms that are invisible to our naked eyes are known as microorganisms. Microorganisms easily observed through microscope. Invisible to the naked eye but visible under the microscope. And the main point, study of microorganisms is known as microbiology. Types of microorganisms. On the basis of their cell structure, microorganisms can be divided into 4 groups, that are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and some algae. Students, different microorganisms have different cell structure. So these organisms are classified into 4 groups, that are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and some algae. Here are the images of organisms, microorganisms that have different cell structure. The first one is bacteria. Students, ये वो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं जिनकी सेल स्ट्रक्चर डिफरेंट होने की वजह से इनको 4 ग्रुप्स में क्लासिफाइड किया गया है, डिवाइड किया गया है. एंड नेक्स्ट वन क्या होती हैं? फंजाई. देखो इनकी सेल स्ट्रक्चर बैक्टीरिया की सेल स्ट्रक्चर से डिफरेंट है. एंड थर्ड वन इज़ प्रोटोजोआ एंड फोर्थ क्या है? एल्गी. Students, viruses are unique. Unique means have special characteristics. They are different from other. How? Viruses are unique as they exhibit the characteristics of both living organisms and non-living organisms. Exhibit means show. Viruses have different characteristics because sometimes viruses show the characteristics of living things and sometimes non-living things. When they are floating in air or settled on a doorknob, they are non-living. Students, जब वायरसेस एयर में फ्लोट करती हैं या फिर वो किसी डोर पे सेटल्ड हैं, उस टाइम वायरस नॉन लिविंग है, वो लिविंग करेक्टरिस्टिक्स शो नहीं करते. And when they come in contact with a suitable plant, animal or bacteria, they show the characteristics of living organisms. Students, जब viruses plants, animals या bacteria के contact में आती हैं, उस टाइम वो living organisms की तरह बिहेव करती हैं. इट मीन्स वो वहाँ पे ग्रो करती हैं और उसको हार्म पहुँचाती हैं. थैंक यू.